In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update phone number on Expedia. Keeping your phone number current ensures you receive booking alerts, check-in reminders, and important travel updates right when you need them. So let's walk through the process clearly from start to finish. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Expedia. You can also type the address directly if you prefer. When the results appear, click the official Expedia link. Look for the Expedia domain to make sure you're on the real site, and check for the secure lock icon in your browser's address bar. Once the home page loads, head to the top right corner and select Sign In. Use your usual login method to access your account. If you're already signed in, you'll see your profile icon instead of the Sign In option. After you're signed in, click your name or the profile icon in the top right corner to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Account. This takes you to your account management area where your personal details and settings are organized. On the account page, locate the Profile section. Depending on your device, it may appear as Profile, Personal Info, or a similar label. Open that section to view your saved contact details. Within Profile, find the contact area and select the Edit option. This is typically marked by an Edit button or a small pencil icon. Opening the editor allows you to modify your contact information without changing anything else on your account. Now, update your phone number. Be sure to choose the correct country code if it's listed, and enter the number in the format the form suggests. It's best to use a mobile number that you have on hand, especially if you want to receive time-sensitive text alerts or two-factor verification codes. Double-check for typos. One misplaced digit can prevent you from receiving notifications. When you're satisfied, click Save. You may see a brief confirmation message, and in some cases you might be asked to verify the change with a code sent to your phone or email. If that prompt appears, simply follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. That's it. Your updated phone number will be used for future notifications and trip updates. If you don't see the changes immediately, refresh the page or sign out and back in. And if the layout looks slightly different on mobile, try using a desktop browser for easier navigation. With your contact details up to date, you'll be ready for smooth communication on your next trip.